Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday and Friday. And in today's video, I'm so excited because today I'm going to be talking all about shoes, but not just any kind of shoes, the shoes that I love to wear in the fall time. Initially, I was only going to narrow it down to like my favorite boots to wear in the fall time, but then I realized that there's also sneakers and certain sneakers that I like to wear with like fall outfits that just like fit the fall vibe so much better, fit the flannels, fit the sweaters, all of that. So if you guys want to see my favorite fall shoes, then definitely please keep watching. So without any more rambling, let's get into the video. Alright, so I don't think I'm going to go in any kind of order. I'm just going to kind of like pull what's right in front of me because we got a lot of shoes to get through. So these shoes are actually kind of old and I probably should have wiped them down real quick before showing you guys, but it just goes to show how much I use these. And they are these boots right here from Love Raid. I have worn the crap out of these shoes. When I worked at MAC, this is like all I wore during the fall and winter time just because they were so comfortable to walk around in. What I love about these boots is that square toe detailing. This is like perfect if you want to elevate a look that you would typically wear a combat boot with, but you still want to be very comfortable. The heel is nice and chunky and it's a nice rubber sole, so you can seriously wear these for hours and hours on end, get that dressier look, but still be just as comfortable as if you're wearing a combat boot or a sneaker. Like I said, I wore these all last fall and winter, bringing them into this season. I've already worn them a couple times this season so far and they've held up so nice and I just really love them. For the fall and winter time, everybody needs a good combat boot, but you know what? You also don't have to spend an arm and a leg on a combat boot. These have been my absolute favorite and they are from Walmart. They're by the brand Time and True and they're just like a perfect shoe to put on like a typical running errands outfit if you're wearing like leggings and a t-shirt or leggings and a sweater. Throw on combat boots, it'll elevate the outfit a little bit more. It has a nice like memory foam sole too, which is what I really like. And I like these because they are just a true standard combat boot. They're not overly chunky like a lot of combat boots are made right now. Don't get me wrong, I love the chunky look, but this is just like a good staple standard combat boot that you can wear. I got these a few months ago. I've worn them so many times and they've held up really nice so far. If you want to elevate your outfit with a higher type of boot, but you want to step out of 2016 and get away from the like over the knee boot, this is where it's at. Get yourself some like under the knee or right at the knee boots. Get yourself an all black pair. These ones are a croc skin and they're definitely more of that like cowboy boot style. I got these from Forever 21 about 2 years ago. I don't think they sell them anymore at Forever 21, but they sell so many shoes similar to this. I love these boots so much so, or a boot just like this, because it'll elevate any outfit, even if it's the most basic outfit. Like I could take an outfit that I wore with the black combat boots, throw on these boots and it'll give it a whole new vibe, a whole new look. I feel like just the height of the boot just elevates it. It looks great with like leggings and like a blazer. These boots look great with an all black outfit. You could also wear them with a skirt or a dress. And because they come a little bit higher up, as it gets cooler out, you can wear these with a dress and like a jacket and you'll still feel very warm and cozy while still being able to pull off that skirt or dress. Pair of black under the knee boots, and then this like cowboy boot style that's really trending right now is just really cute with it as well. And then also I think it's just nice to have like an all black boot with like a croc skin texture like this because it'll help kind of like break up. If you are wearing it with like an all black outfit, it'll help like break up some dimension and bring some texture into the look, which is what I really like. These boots I also got from Forever 21 about 2 years ago as well. And they are just a pair of suede under the knee boots. I love wearing these boots with dresses. I think they look so cute together. You can wear it with skirts. I don't really like to wear boots like this with jeans. I feel like that's very like 2014 blogger vibe. I don't know why, it just gives me that vibe. But with dresses and with skirts, I love the look of these. I just feel like it gives such an elegant look. And I like that these are pointed toe. Me personally, for all of my boots, I like for them to either be square toed or pointed toe, just because I feel like it helps it be a little bit more trendy. I feel like the round toes were really in and like 2015, 2014, and so on. I also love that these are suede too, because if I am wearing this with a nude outfit, it just helps give some more texture, give some more dimension to the look. Boots like these would look great with like a sweater like this and like black leggings. And like I said, these I got from Forever 21. I don't think they still carry them, but I will link similar ones down below. The last two boots that I showed you that were from Forever 21 have really held up. And I have another pair of boots from Forever 21 that held up really good too. Like, I feel like every other shoe that I get from Forever 21 doesn't hold up that long, but any boots that I purchase last long too. Like, let me show you another pair. These boots I don't wear as much because, like I said, I've been preferring the pointed toe or the square toe. I just don't gravitate toward it as much because I like the look of, you know, the other two. But these are round toe booties that I got from Forever 21. I got these in 2016 and I wore these when I worked at MAC. I would wear these all the time. And these pair of black boots, I'd be running around the store and got makeup all over them, and they have held up amazing. Definitely they've like creased up a bunch and all of that, but I feel like these are still really cute and wearable. And I even wore these a bunch last season too before I got the Love Raid booties that I'll show you guys earlier. You guys are gonna probably fall asleep when I show you these because I've showed you guys these boots like a million times on my channel already. So I'll just quickly show them for those of you guys who are new here and who have not seen them. But these chunky heeled combat boots by Steve Madden. Oh my gosh, what is all over them? Is that pollen? Ew. Anyways, I've clearly worn these a ton already. But these black heeled combat boots by Steve Madden I got during the Nordstrom anniversary sale are my absolute favorite. I feel like these are a great way to elevate a look but still keep it casual. Let me give you an example. Boom, you put this boot on, it's gonna make your look definitely a lot more dressy. If you just go straight in with the combat boot, it's gonna give you a very casual, chill vibe. But these boots will give you that perfect in between, a dressy, casual, chill, cool girl vibe. I love these so much. I love to wear these with black leggings and an all black outfit, or like a sweater like this and black leggings. You can wear these with jeans too. I like that they have the sock detailing here because it will just kind of like flow underneath of like mom jeans, really nice, or like any sort of crop jean. I honestly think that these are a must in every collection. And I like that these are chunky but not overly like bulky. I have thicker legs and ankles and all that, so I feel like a really chunky shoe just like will make my legs just look like straight up sausages. But these are like that perfect balance of chunkiness, but then since they like taper in up here, it's still like super flattering. I love these boots so much and they are so comfortable. You can wear these all day. These boots are really similar to the last ones that I showed you. They just don't have that sock detailing up here, and they are a suede beige material. They are by Steve Madden as well. I got these during the springtime of this year after the winter on sale. That's like my trick too with boots and stuff. Anyways, I wore these the other day and I got compliments non-stop. I wore it with literally this exact sweater, some faux leather leggings, and I think that these are just great whenever you want to play up more of like the warm kind of like saddle brown tones. I feel like it just pairs really nice with this. These boots look cute with jeans, they look cute with dresses, skirts, all of that. And I just think it's really nice to have a kind of like beige heeled combat boot like this. I'm going to show you guys another one that's similar to this, but it's flat. And it's just crazy the amount of outfits and stuff that you can wear this with. Like, especially when I wear a boot like this with like a flannel that has more like creamy neutral tones throughout it, I feel like this boot just helps play up those neutral tones and it helps the outfit flow a lot more versus like just going in with a black boot. I have literally worn these probably already like 5 or 6 times and I got them 2 weeks ago. That's how much I love them. And they are these boots right here. They are by the brand Universal Thread at Target. I absolutely adore these. They kind of are that same undertone of that previous boot I showed you. They're definitely a little bit lighter, but you have that like more like creamy beigey tone, so it'll look good with colors like this. You can wear this with like an all white or creamy outfit. And a boot like this will also look good with like dresses, skirts, leggings, anything like that. But I feel like the creamy color definitely dresses it up a little bit more than just like a simple black combat boot. I just feel like everybody could use a boot like this in their collection. I have gotten these dirty like in the front the couple times that I have worn them, but I find that it's like really easy to just like wipe off with like a wet paper towel, or even a wet paper towel and a little bit of Dawn dish soap. I love them so much. Also, in both the Steve Madden combat boots that I showed you and these boots from Target, I had to size down a half size. You cannot go wrong with a suede pointed toe heeled booty. This is definitely a classic. I know a lot of people say like steer away from these. These are kind of phasing out, whatever. But in my opinion, you can't go wrong. They're always nice to have on hand. This is like the perfect boot that you can wear with jeans. You could also wear this with like dresses and skirts and all of that as well. And then you could also wear this with like a really casual outfit. Like my go-to outfit lately is just like t-shirt, flannel, leggings, and either combat boots or sneakers. But if I were to throw in these boots, it would elevate that super casual outfit and just make it look a little bit dressier. Just give a slightly more sophisticated vibe to any outfit. These ones are by Marc and I got these last year during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. They do still have like really similar ones to this, or I think they still sell the exact ones. But I also really just love the color. It's like a really nice like cognac. So pretty. Oh my gosh, with this sweater, like this is fall in a shoe. Maybe you just want to have more of like a chill casual sneaker vibe. You don't want to wear a combat boot, you know, you want to be comfortable, but maybe it's really cold out and you still need to keep your foot really warm, or maybe it's rainy out and you want something that's still gonna come pretty high up. This is the shoe that is perfect for that. They look kind of funky, but I feel like in person they're really cute, and of course they have grass all over them. They are these Converse right here. I just think they're so cute and so trendy. I think these will elevate an outfit that you would wear just like a basic running sneaker with. You throw these on, you'll see very cute, but you'll just take your outfit to the next level. It'll make it a little bit more edgy. The most comfortable shoes ever, and Converse are never comfortable, but because the sole is like a thicker, bubblier material, it just feels like you're walking on clouds when you wear this. And even on the inside, it's like slightly like a memory foam material. These I love to wear when it was still warm out. I'd wear these with biker shorts and like a flannel or an oversized t-shirt. If you live in a warmer state like Florida or California, these are a good like fall sneaker to have in your collection. I also love the leather detailing on it. I feel like this definitely gives it more of like a fall vibe versus like the regular canvas Converse. These I feel embarrassed showing because they are just so dirty, but they're dirty because I wear them all the time. This is like my go-to sneaker if I want to wear a sneaker with like a super just like traditional fall looking outfit. So like say I'm wearing either like a blazer or a sweater like this or a flannel, and I'm wearing it with leggings, or I'm wearing it with leather pants, and I don't want to wear a boot. I want to keep it casual, but I want to keep the fall vibe going. For whatever reason, these sneakers will always keep that fall vibe going, and they're just my all-white Superegas. They're actually not white right now. They pretty much are beige. They're disgusting. I need to wash them. But I love these shoes so much. I feel like they go with any outfit. During this time of year, I love to wear these with like my leather pants or even leather leggings. I love to wear these with an all black outfit and then just have this pop of white on the bottom. They're just really cute. Can't say enough good things. So loafers have been super in this season, and these shoes, I showed them in a recent vlog. I got them from Amazon, and I just think that they are so adorable. I think that this is a great shoe to wear jeans and a cute top or jeans and a sweater, and it'll elevate it, make you look a little bit more dressy, make you look a little bit more trendy, but still keep it pretty casual. I think these would also look really cute with like jeans and a shirt and a blazer. Like I said, make it a little bit more dressy, but you know, not like a straight up heel. I got these from Amazon for 29 bucks. They were not Prime, and they ended up coming in a lot quicker. But I will say, if you guys do end up ordering these, I definitely recommend sizing down because these are a little bit too big for me. Then similar to my all white Superegas that I was showing you guys, I like to have like a black platform sneaker, but I like for there to be something to break it up. So I really like these black platform sneakers. I got these from Nordstrom. They're by the brand Linea Paulo, and I like that it has that off-white platform with the black leather, and I like these because they're definitely more of a dressy sneaker, so I could wear this with like an outfit that I would typically wear a heeled boot with. Throw this on, it'll definitely make it more casual but still fit the vibe. These look really cute with like leather leggings and a blazer. I don't think I would wear these with like a skirt or dress just because I feel like black sneakers and skirts and dresses do not go together. These are great to wear with like all black outfits, jeans, you name it. It's gonna give you a little bit more of a dressier vibe than just like a typical running sneaker. And they'll even give you a more elevated look than my Superegas just because they have that leather material. This is, I feel like, definitely more of a dressier sneaker. All right, these shoes, I'm not gonna talk about too much because again, I've talked about them a million times. They're literally my same Steve Madden shoes that I showed you earlier, but just in my beautiful bone color. These are so beautiful. So I haven't worn these as much this season. I feel like this is definitely more going into why did I almost hit myself with this? This is definitely a shoe. I feel like that's more appropriate going into the winter when you're wearing more of those like creamier whites and beiges. Maybe it's just me. I love to wear those in the winter time. I feel like this type of shoe looks really good with like grays and just like those lighter tones. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to wear these with some of the coats that I have too. Bony beigey boot like this is so nice to have. This is gonna be a much cooler tone than like the other light beige boots that I showed you. So these are the Target boots I have, and then these are the Steve Madden ones. You can see they're a lot more of like a cooler tone, which is why I say they'll look better with like grays and whites and things like that. So in my opinion, everybody could use a good under the knee black boot, an under the knee cognac boot, and then an under the knee beige creamy boot like this. Oh my gosh, tell me that these are not stunning. These are so pretty. So these are by Steve Madden. I love these because they have that pointed toe, but it's kind of like squared off right here, which is really pretty. I'm obsessed with these. The only thing that I will say, I almost wish it was more of like an off-white. And I mean, they kind of look off-white on camera, but in person it's definitely more of like a in person this is definitely more of like a pinkier beigey tone, which makes it harder to pair with typical beige and creamy sweaters and stuff that I have. But nonetheless, these are still beautiful. I think that these would look really pretty to wear a satin emerald green dress. I don't know why I have that vision in my head, or this would just be really cute to wear with like even a black dress, just like that contrast. I would typically just wear these with like skirts and dresses. I would not wear these with jeans. I'll definitely link these down below, and then I'll also link some other options that I would like or prefer more, so that way you guys have more options. Because like I said, if it was up to me, these would be like a true off-white. And then last but not least, you cannot go wrong with the snakeskin boot. To be honest, I don't even know if these are still trending or popular this year, but I still think that this kind of boot is really nice to have. This is by the brand Treasure and Bond, and I got these from Nordstrom Rack last year for only like 13 bucks. The reason why I love these boots is because, so like whenever I'd wear a beige outfit, this had the beige in it, I could wear it. If I had like a brown outfit, this had a little bit of the brown throughout it, I could pull it off with that kind of outfit. I could even wear these with an all black outfit. Because it had all the colors throughout it, I was able to wear it with a wider variety of outfit. Where like say I had like an all beige outfit, if I threw in a black boot, the contrast would be too harsh. So like this was just like a good boot to have. And all right, you guys, that wraps it up for this video. I hope that you guys were inspired and found this video helpful. Let me know any other fall winter content that you guys want to see next. As always, I will be linking everything down in the description box, and whatever I can't link, I will link similar options down below, or options that I prefer more. I love you guys. I pray that you all stay safe. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. It'd mean the world to me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!